Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Tesla Model Y air filter. First, gather your essential tools, a Torx T20 screwdriver and a trim removal tool. You will also need 2 new cabin air filters. Park your vehicle on a flat, stable surface and ensure it is powered off. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Having everything ready saves time and prevents interruptions during the task. Now, let's access the filter housing. Begin by locating the passenger footwell area. Use your trim removal tool to carefully pry off the side panel, revealing the screws underneath. Next, with your Torx T20 screwdriver, remove the screws securing the lower trim panel. Gently pull this panel away, being mindful of any attached wiring. This step provides clear access to the air filter compartment. With the panels removed, you can now disconnect the footwell light and the air vent tube for better access. Unclip the air filter housing cover and set it aside. Carefully pull out the 2 old cabin air filters. Note their orientation. Now, insert your 2 new filters, ensuring the airflow arrows point towards the front of the vehicle. This is a crucial step for proper air circulation and filtration. To finish up, reattach the air filter housing cover, making sure it clips securely into place. Reconnect the air vent tube and the footwell light. Then, carefully reinstall the lower trim panel, securing it with the Torx T20 screws. Finally, snap the side panel back into position. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. This completes your air filter replacement, ensuring fresh air in your Tesla.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.